Two new cars, one diesel and one alternative, are valued at $50,000 each and have their tax paid yearly over 7 years. What is the difference between the proportion of the total amount paid due to valuation on the two cars? So first let's calculate the total paid due to valuation. The same for both cars, we'll just have to have tax on top of that as well. So, for each car, we have £165, that's the additional 165 because it's greater than 40,000. 165 times 5 years, which is 825. Even though these are paid over 7 years, it's only paid for 5 years after the initial payment. Next, let's calculate the total payments over 7 years for both cars. So, first for diesel, we have the initial payment, that's 160, plus 6 years of the yearly payment of 135. And then we have to also add on this taxable amount, 825. That's a total of 1795. Same for alternative now. So for alternative, we have a total of 1,508. Next, we're looking for the difference between the proportions. So first, let's calculate the proportion for diesel of the total cost due to valuation over the total cost. So the cost due to valuation was 825, and the total cost over the 7 years is this amount here that we calculated, 1795. Since it's a proportion, we want it as a percentage. We'll multiply by 100, which gives us approximately 46%. The same calculation now for alternative. So now we have our two proportions. We want the difference between those, so we just need to take one away from the other. That's 54.7, take 46%, which is 8.7%.